All right, guys, we got a Sharp Fridge 48 rolling out today. This is probably one of our most popular setup here, guys, and for good reason, so let's check her out. Now, this is on the off-road package. Got our standard wheels and tires here. Makes it much easier to move around, guys. Casters and gravel on grass ain't gonna cut it. This rig right here weighs almost 2,000 pounds. It's heavy. I know when y'all see me pulling around, it might look like it's easy, but it takes a man to pull this thing around. So, got the off-road package, that's good. We've got the wire mesh front shelf here. Now, we'll open it up, guys. Inside, all of our fridges get 3 tray standards, so you got a lot of cook room in it. Like I said, this is our 48. We can build them bigger and smaller. This is a great backyard size for if you got a couple big cooks a year, need some extra capacity. This is it right here. Reverse flow, so we do have 2 removable plates down in here. That directs the heat all the way, and then across, back out of the stack. TMG Fridge tail truth thermometers, of course, in the doors. Now come around to the hot box. Now this hot box has our upgraded fridge style handle to match the front. Nice little teeth there. Inside, y'all know the deal. 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inch cook space. That's because we love America, guys. Now the way this works, we've got a removable plate down here with daisy wheels, so you can crack it open, get it hotter in here, pull the whole plate out, get direct fire in there. Very versatile option there. Now the firebox on this unit, he did upgrade to the insulated firebox. Got our fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Now that is our Fridge 48 reverse flow backyard pit. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.